I prepared a kilogram of chicken wings, which I will first dry well. I dry the chicken wings with a paper towel. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Turn and dry the other side. Dry the chicken wings well. This is important for it to be crispy. I will prepare the spice mixture. I add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of granulated garlic, sweet ground pepper. To make the wings crispy, I'll add a teaspoon of baking powder. I add spices and rub it into the chicken wings. Place the chicken wings in the hot air fryer. I bake chicken wings at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, shake the wings. And return back. After 20 minutes, the chicken wings look like this. To make the chicken wings more crispy, I bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for another 5 minutes. Chicken wings prepared in this way are extremely juicy, tasty, and crispy. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends. I will add 1 egg to 600 grams of minced meat. I add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 40 grams of Parmesan cheese, salt to taste, pepper to taste, a teaspoon of red sweet ground pepper, dry organic spice, and how I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. I will chop a bunch of fresh parsley. And combine the mixture. I need baking paper. I will arrange the meat on the paper. I will spread cheese leaves on the stretched meat. I add ham leaves. I'll wrap the meat in a roll. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I put the prepared roll in the freezer for 2 hours. After 2 hours in the freezer, the meat will be easier to cut. I cut the roll and now I need a hot air fryer. I put the roll in the fryer. I bake at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes. The minced meat roll prepared in this way is extremely juicy and tasty. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends. I'll show you how to make a quick meat and potatoes lunch in the air fryer. Cut 700 grams of meat into smaller pieces. If you want to watch the video and listen to my original voice, select Serbian audio in the audio settings. I will cut up 5 large potatoes. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will season the potatoes. I'll add a teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste, and olive oil. I'll mix it all up. I bake potatoes at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I will season the meat. I'll add half a teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste. I will add dry organic seasoning. How I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. Red sweet ground peppers and olive oil. I'll mix it all up. I add meat to the potatoes. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I'll stir. I return the meat and potatoes to the air fryer. I bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The meat and potatoes prepared in this way is extremely tasty and quick to prepare. It is easy to prepare. And look how it looks. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.